GMGM guys, this is the voice of El David Network. In today's video, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how the Liquidix says its liquidity system works. If you are new to this platform, in my first video, I did a full tutorial guide on this platform. In the second video, I did a withdrawal proof of the platform. So in this video, I'll be answering a very profound question on how this platform gets earning that they distribute daily to their investors. So this is how the Liquidix says its liquidity system works. It all starts with the users like you and I. When we fund our account that we invest on the platform, our trading capital is pulled together with capital from other liquidity providers. From there, the Liquidix JIT bot automatically deploys that pooled liquidity to automated market makers, also known as AMMs, across supported blockchain networks. AMMs are the engine behind decentralized exchange. They rely on liquidity to process trade instantly without the need of a traditional buyer and seller. So according to the Liquidix, the JIT bot identifies where liquidity is needed most and temporarily allocate funds to those AMMs. As trades are executed, liquidity providers earn a share of the fee generated. So that's what you are seeing on the screen. That's the flow. So from the users to the pool, all right. So from the pool to the AMMs. So from the AMMs back to the pool, from the pool back to the users. Okay. So once that trading cycle is complete, the liquidity along with any profit generated according to the platform's strategy is returned to the central liquidity pool. Alright, so that's what you are seeing on the screen. The process then repeats continuously, moving liquidity where demand is highest in an effort to maximize efficiency and potential returns. Liquidix states that this automated system can generate between 0.7% and 2.5% daily, with an projected return of around 1.40% per day, depending on market condition and the bot's performance. So what are you waiting for? If you are yet to register, check the description of this video. You'll see a step-by-step guide on how to register on the platform. My referral link is in the description. Go ahead and get started. Alright, so and also don't forget to join the WhatsApp community in case you have any question. You feel free to ask me. And remember, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research. Thank you.
Instead of allowing your cryptocurrency sit idle, Liquidix deploy your capital where liquidity is needed most, helping decentralized exchanges execute trade more efficiently while creating earning opportunity for liquidity providers. According to the platform, the Liquidix bot automatically manage the liquidity strategy on your behalf, so you don't need to trade manually or constantly monitor the market. The platform states that users can earn between 0.7% and 2.5% daily, with an average return of around 1.40% per day, depending on the bot's trading performance. Liquidix currently supports 7 automated market makers across 4 blockchains network, helping ensure that decentralized markets remain liquid, efficient, and ready for traders around the clock. Getting started is simple. Follow me as I show you a step-by-step guide on how to complete registration and start exploring this amazing opportunity. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research.